types of MRI noises to expect noisy images, especially with the large volume coils, as e.g., the quad-body coil. You may hear different kinds of noises during an MRI scan. Every electric pulse sequence creates a distinct sound based on the waveform of the current. MRI technologists use different pulse sequences and orientations to capture the angle, contrast, and area they need. Patients use different words to describe the sounds they hear, including banging, clicking, whirring, clanging, beeping. Possible cause: decreased signal due to possible hardware error in the data acquisition system and/or protocol settings. Elevated background noise level due to possible hardware error in the receive chain and/or a higher as normal external noise level.